Show you this cool new Nail Aid Spray Away Nail Polish Remover. If you have pets or young kids, you're gonna love it. So since my nails are naked, I'm putting on this pink nail polish from Anise Cosmetics. I really like this cool pink fuchsia color. It's called Sunset Special. Nail Aid is super easy to use. I just twist the cap open or closed. It won't spill or leak, which is so useful if you have pets running around. Hey Miko! Spray Away is cruelty-free, never tested on animals, and the keratin and cocoa butter version I'm using here is vegetarian. There's also a non-acetone version if you prefer that. So to use it, you just spray, press, and swipe. You can do your whole hand with one cotton ball. I love the formula because it has vegan keratin and cocoa butter to strengthen my nails. It's also non-drying and doesn't dry out my nails or the skin around them. So these products are made in the USA. You can find them at Walmart stores across the nation or at nailaidworks.com.
Hey dolls, I'm going to show you this cool new product called 1 Second Spray Away by Nail Aid. Now, I know you're probably wondering if this is hairspray, but it's actually not. It's the first ever acetone aerosol nail polish remover that gives you fast results by removing nail polish in seconds. Just shake the can, twist a child-resistant cap, spray directly onto a cotton ball, then press onto your nail and swipe from cuticle to tip to remove the nail polish in literally seconds. All I have to do is get in between my cuticles, but let's go ahead and check that out again. So just spray, press, and swipe to effortlessly remove your polish in seconds. Now, if I were to try and remove a nail polish with your typical nail polish remover, I would spend a lot more time removing the polish and my nails would be left stained and feeling a bit dry, but the Nail Aid 1 Second Spray Away left my nails stain-free without a hassle, and its powerful formula left my nails nice and hydrated so that I can apply my base coat and prep my nails for my next color. You can purchase your Spray Away nail polish remover along with other Nail Aid products at nailaidworks.com or just stop by a Walmart store near you.
So before we begin, I need to remove my nail polish. And this company has sent me some acetone packaged in a very unique way. It's by Nail Aid. I love the packaging. So let's open it up. Oh yeah, that's right. She sent me a little letter. She's going to give you guys a discount with this too. This is very new. I've never seen anything like it. So they've done something very unique I've never seen before. Acetone in a spray. Usually we have it in a pump or just tip it upside down. Got a nice little bow. And they've got 3 different kinds. It's 100% leak proof and it's 2 times faster of a removal. So I'm just going to pick one and work with it today. It says 1 second spray away. Very cool. It's also not tested on animals. Now this is Infinite Shine I have on here. And it does take a bit to come off. Ooh, but look at that. It's really taking it off. Infinite Shine by OPI. Awesome nail polish. Look at that. It wipes away. One thing it does advertise is that it has no white residue. Anybody that works with acetone on a regular basis, you know that it dries the skin out, makes it look so white and chalky. This does not do that. Pretty cool. I like that. I'll leave a link in the description below so you guys can check that out.
Using for your nails, this is a Nail Aid 60-second spray. So all you have to do is spray it on a cotton ball. This is going to help remove your nail polish.
Not on the fish.
Not on the fish. Spray it. Really eat that fish. And swipe it. And this is really easy when you're getting those manicures in the fall and in the winter. You want to be able to make sure that you're hydrating your nails too. Yeah. So I have, really dry nails and cuticles, and this helps not only make them more hydrated, but also to strengthen them too. So you want to make sure that the beauty products you're using are giving you an additional health benefit, and this is something that you can see instantly. Yeah. You can get that at Walmart. Okay. And I also recommend, dry brushing, so trying to get the circulation and your skin moving a little bit more, the lymphatic system. So anything you can do to help you eat better for your external beauty, and also use beauty products that are going to make you feel better externally as well.
Sometimes getting a manicure can make you feel really, really good, right?
And it's an instant thing. You can see you did something good for yourself, so that makes you want to do even more positive and healthy things.
Steph, thank you.
You're welcome.